This right in the middle is the 2019 BMW i8 Roadster, soon to be gone. Last one remaining. For anyone interested in one, please do contact me and we can discuss further details. This is just a brief video since a lot of people asked me to make a video of it. I just never got a chance, and before this car is gone I thought I'll make one. So I'm just going to do a brief walk around. Quite a few people asked me about the trunk space, the interior, the doors, is it screen, a touch screen, you know, those kind of basic things. So we're going to go over that and just walk around the car. These on my left and right are the 2021 pre-production models, M3 and M4 competitions. But you can watch those on my other videos that I've already done. And those of you who don't know me, this is Samir Umer from BMW Toronto. If you haven't subscribed to me yet, please do go ahead and subscribe to the channel, like the video, comment below what you like, what else you would like to see, and as time permits, I'll answer those questions or make a video of those if necessary. And yeah, please do go ahead and click on the bell icon for more informative content like this, and share the video with family and friends with similar interests. So for those of you considering this, I'll just go over a few standard features of this car. So when you get a 2019 BMW i8 Roadster, you get dynamic damper control, multifunction steering wheel with cruise control, 20-inch BMWi light alloy wheels, rapid spoke 519 bicolor performance tires is what's on the car, which you can see. You get a tire repair kit, sport leather steering wheel with pedal shifters, alarm system, comfort access, below floor mats, auto-dimming exterior mirrors, electric seats adjustment, driver and passenger, front center armrest, storage compartment package, heated front seats, acoustic protection for pedestrians, park distance control, front and rear raised sensors with auto headlamps, dual zone automatic climate control, dynamic cruise control, lights package, LED headlights, driving assistant, luggage compartment, emergency unlocking, onboard navigation, Sirius XM satellite radio tuner, Harman Kardon sound system, intelligent emergency call, teleservices, connected drive services, advanced real-time traffic information, concierge services, remote services, wireless charging, extended Bluetooth and USB, Wi-Fi hotspot. And that's about it for the standard features. So as you can see, a lot of standard features as it is, but this one has the premium package in there. It's got the black brake calipers, the universal remote control, ceramic controls, head-up display, Apple CarPlay, LED headlights with cornering function. This particular one also comes with the BMW display key and the blue seat belts and the laser headlights, travel package. And the color of this is Sophisto gray metallic with BMWi frozen blue accent and ivory white black full perforated leather. Right, so yeah, for those of you asking, yes, the doors do open up. You can see the blue accent below. You'll see it in front of the grills. You can from here see the blue seat belts. Gorgeous car. This is a plug-in hybrid, so gas and electric. A lot of people ask me about the trunk space. So yes, you do have a trunk space. And here it is. A couple of small bags. That's the standard electric charger that comes with it. You can get the fast charger as well as a separate purchase. You can obviously see the carbon fiber on the car. Right, that's all carbon fiber. There's a lot of exposed carbon fiber on the car. Beautiful lines. Here it is, the blue accent on the front kidney grills and around the BMW roundel on the hood. So a lot of you have asked me if if the front opens up, is there a front? Like, is there storage up here? So no, unfortunately, there is no storage, and normal access to you as a driver. Obviously, you don't have that to open the hood, but technicians can open it to access the electronics for the car. That's your BMW laser headlights. Black rotors. So the car's been sitting here for a bit. Let's see if it has some juice. If I can show you the roof. It is a soft top. Let's see if it has some juice. I will be able to operate from the key. For that, let me shut the doors here. And you can see the carbon fiber here too on the doors. On the bottom here. So guys, some of you have commented, why do you slam the door so hard? It's not actually that hard. I'm indoors and it does echo, and obviously the mic picks up a bit more, so that's why it sounds a bit louder, but it's not really that loud in here. I love my cars, man. I wouldn't slam them so hard. Okay, so here we go. Let's see if the roof pops up. Come on, boy. Give me some juice. There we go. So very quick. And I'm doing this just by the key holding the lock button, and I can do it just from the key. So I can close the roof. Let's see if it has some more juice. We'll open it up. So I'm holding the unlock button right here, and it's working. Hopefully it'll go all the way. Yep, so not enough juice. It's been sitting here for a bit, so unfortunately you can't put the roof down with my key. Oh, wait, it's working. Okay, I just have to get a little bit closer. There we go. So a little up close, you saw how the roof, you can put it down, pull it back up. Let's get into the car. Getting in, there's a trick to it. You kind of sit on the ledge and slide yourself in. I put my right foot in and just slide in, just like a normal car, but I'm just used to it. Yeah, for those of you who've asked me if the screen is touchscreen, yes, it is. So watch here. You can tap on the screen, move stuff around, and go to the home. Right. Nav. Zoom out, zoom in. On the nav, on any of our electric cars or hybrid, it will show you where the charging stations are. So if you look up close, it shows you exactly where all the charging stations are close to me. Again, guys, if you have more questions about this car, feel free to ask. It's very comfortable the way I'm sitting in here. Feels nice and snug. There's still more room behind me to take a seat back. There's some storage back here. I do have one cup holder there as well, and some storage back there. I do have one cup holder right here. To operate the roof is right under here. The button, lift that, and that's your button right there to open and close the roof. There's a USB charging in there, a USB slot in there. In here you have your wireless charging tray and also a 12-volt charger. So the car is very well equipped. It sounds really good. Let's put it in drive. I'm gonna move it to sport. So that's the shifter right here. I'm gonna move it left. And that's the gas engine kicks in once you move it in sport. Dials change the color, if you notice. Okay, I'm gonna move it back to electric. Front collision warning, pedestrian warning as well in the car. It's a really nice car. BMW keeps things very simple. You know, you can set up your charging times when you want the car to charge. If you want to activate it automatically as soon as you get home, plug it in to charge then, or set up a certain time. Again, these are more technical questions. Obviously, if you have those, please write me in the comments below, and I'll make sure to answer those questions for you. This was just to show you the i8 a little more up close of how good it feels. I certainly love having no top above me. Feels really nice. I'm in right in the heart of downtown Toronto, up on a building, so you can see the views outside. Gorgeous. Behind me is the CN Tower as well. There you can see that in the distance. So again, guys, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please do go ahead and subscribe. Do like the video, comment below what you like, what else you would like to see, and do click on the bell icon for more informative content like this. And please do share my videos with family and friends with similar interests, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.